Welcome to Skill Header Master Business Accounting Project Series Part 9. Please access the complete playlist from the I button above. We are building simple forms to complete our basic structure for everything. This video will complete 47% of our project. We change our plan described at the end of the last video. In this video, after creating sales part with 3 tabs of sales orders, sales invoices, and customers, we will finish the customer's navigation form with new and edit customer form same in the last video of supplier form. This is our business accounting database. Copy the purchase form and rename it as sales form. There are 2 tabs already available. Rename the tabs with invoices and customers. Add a new tab. Name it orders. You can move the tab's position from the properties. 0 means the first tab and the rest will be arranged automatically. Remove the forms associated with the tabs. Let's integrate it with the main Forms Sale navigation button. Good, but the underline is not appearing properly. Arrange the lines according to the tab. Very fine. Move on to the next step. Copy the supplier form, rename it as customer form. Change the form's control source to the customer form. Change the name of all unbound text boxes according to the customer table fields. have a new customer form, copy the previously created new supplier form, rename it to new customer form. Last time we took advantage of a screenshot to display table fields in front of us to create references of the text boxes, but I have another solution in mind. You can simply enable the option of overlapping windows. That is better to save the lots of efforts and time. Change the number to value as we have done in the supplier form before. Move on to recode the submit button according to the customers. Just a minute. In this code, the database will count the records each time, and if no record found, the first record will be updated with 3001, and if it found records, it will add 1 to the last code. Each time calculating the records in a table can slow down your database. I have a simple solution, and it will be one-liner code using NZ and DLast function. You have to make changes to the new supplier form as well. Supplier series will be started from 3001 and the customer series with 111. Change all the references according to the customer table and customer form text boxes. I removed the previous code, but the end if was not removed. We copy all the forms, and this reference will be changed from supplier ID to customer ID later after creating the customer edit form. The end if should be removed from the supplier code as well. Copy the supplier edit form and rename it as the customer edit form. Change the control source of the form and the references of all the bound text boxes to the customer table and fields. All the references of the supplier will be changed to the customers. Integrate the customer edit form with the button. Please remember that after changing the name of any object, the code will not be applicable anymore. You should have to integrate manually. A good practice in VBA coding is to debug the code after each completion of the code. There is a compile error due to a spelling mistake while creating tables. Let's make corrections. Well, debugging is a big deal in programming because you should have to make corrections to every reference, including bound and unbound text boxes, form control source, and of course in the coding. Okay, I am reverting the document window option to tabbed. Now, move on to intact the customer form with the Customer tab. Change the caption of the form. The text boxes are not in order. You can auto-arrange from the tab order. Data has been entered into the table, but the form will not be refreshed due to the form reference error. I press the F5 key to refresh the form manually. We have to change the name of the form properly. The name of the supplier form was changed previously. I am deleting the record so the first code can be verified. Fine. The record has been added, but the code is not updating. The table reference is fine. The variable defined previously was not updated. As you know, we have made the same changes to the supplier form, so make corrections to the supplier form as well. Very fine. New record has been added as expected. Test the supplier form as well. Please like, share, and comment on our videos. I will be waiting for your valuable response. Great. See you in the next video.